What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge, Shehbaz here. Today we have a huge update about South Korean manufacturer flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S11, which is going to cancel. Getting ready to meet the Galaxy S20. Yes, the Galaxy S20 will be released instead of the Samsung Galaxy S11. But wait a minute, what about the Galaxy S11, S12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and S19? Let's start the video. Samsung is working on the next generation of the flagship Galaxy S smartphones. All leaks mention the Galaxy S11 as a future debutant, and the Galaxy S11 Plus and Galaxy S11e should be introduced with it. The famous network informant under the nickname Ice Universe, which often shares reliable exclusive information about the latest in the mobile industry, made an unexpected statement today. In his morning post on the social network Twitter, the insider was extremely concise. He published the name of the next flagship smartphone of the South Korean company Samsung, and the Samsung Galaxy S20 smartphone will be called. Yes, Ice Universe claims that the Samsung will be rebranded next year is 2020. The most logical assumption is that Samsung has decided to abandon the name Samsung Galaxy S11 in favor of the Galaxy S20. Samsung Galaxy S20 in 2020 sounds beautiful at least. And Galaxy S20 is new beginning, says a well-known source of reliable leaks. Smartphone manufacturers are regularly changing the approach to choosing a name of their new devices. Suffice it to recall the iPhone line, which simultaneously launched the iPhone 8 and iPhone X, and 2 years later the iPhone 11 line appeared on the market. At this stage there is no official confirmation of this information, and it is unlikely that we will receive it in the near future. In addition to trying to associate with a beautiful year, Samsung can thus emphasize the global nature of the changes in the new generation of the flagship. If it is approved, then Koreans can continue to link their models to the year of release, thereby obtaining a certain marketing benefit. The Galaxy S20 will be unveiled next February. The same insider confirmed that the photos of the Galaxy Fold 2, which recently appeared on the web, really show the company's new bending smartphone. He added that his screen will be covered with ultra-thin glass, not plastic. This is the option that many manufacturers will use next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.